Valorant stuck on loading screen. How to fix? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Number one step is to make sure you have the latest version of Steam application or Valorant inside of it. Simply search for Steam and then make sure you have the latest version. I do not have this application installed, but if you follow my lead, you will definitely solve your problem. After making sure you have the latest version, tap and hold the Steam application. Then go to its app info. After that, go to its storage section and tap on clear cache. Make sure you have a very stable internet connection. Most of the time, internet connection is the major issue in this loading screen problem. So fix that and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.